Weather Authority. We warn you first.
A basin-wide cool-down is the big story with icy conditions, windy conditions. We see that the camera is shaking here at Midland. And yes, some snow, ice, and freezing rain in parts of the basin. A mile up, temperatures are in the 40s and 50s, but at the surface, it's in the teens and 20s, so any precipitation falling is either in the form of mostly sleet or freezing rain, as they're refreezing either in the middle of the air or at the surface. Taking a live look at Odessa, completely frozen over. So bridges and overpasses and high elevated surfaces are going to be slick because of the icy conditions. So that's something that we got to watch out for today. Now, take a look at the bigger picture. We do notice that we had thunderstorms a couple of days ago, a southwest to northeasterly flow. Now, colder air on the backside with another storm system providing some sleet, freezing rain, and snow, especially in the northern half of Texas. And again, we're seeing a lot of pinks and even some whites here in the northern eastern basin, providing, again, some slippery travel in places like La Mesa, Big Springs, Snyder, Big Lake, where a couple days ago they had thunderstorms. So a tale of two seasons, 50 degrees cooler than a couple of days ago at least. So yeah, quite a temperature turnaround. And with the, again, really cold conditions out there at the surface, any precipitation that is falling is in the form of wintry precipitation. 21 degrees in Midland and Odessa, feeling like 5. A toasty 61 degrees though in Presidio. Widespread basin-wide cool air though, eventually making its way into the Rio Grande later today and into the overnight. High temperatures in the Midland and Odessa area around 27 degrees. 40 degrees cooler than yesterday, and our average high, low temperature at 18 degrees, so well below these normal temperatures for this time of year. Again, a tale of two seasons, feeling like spring a couple of days ago with the warm and humid conditions, drier conditions and cold conditions for this morning with some moisture in the form, again, wintry precipitation. So the National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory in effect till 6 p.m. in the northern and eastern counties. So slick travel if you guys are traveling off to the north and east today. Something to keep in mind. Again, cold air across the basin, 20s for the high temperatures, 50s and 60s in the extreme southern basin, but cooling down tonight back in the teens and 20s, remaining steady or maybe even slightly rising a little bit later in the overnight. Low temperature 20 degrees, feeling like the teens and 20s with those winds gusting at 40 miles per hour, sustained at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Wintry precipitation is possible nearby, but this time I think it'll be off to our north and east, as it is going to be moving off to the north and east later this morning and into the afternoon, but coming back into the picture later in the evening and overnight with, again, lingering clouds and cold conditions to start off tomorrow, but temperatures warming back up tomorrow in the 50s and 40s with peaks of sunshine later in the day. A great day to enjoy the outdoors compared to what we have been seeing, and very cool conditions for the remainder of the week until the weekend. Warmer air returns.